Marhaba, this is Yanan from community of Babel, and in this video we're going to talk about the verb to have in Syrian dialect. In Syrian dialect, we do not have the verb to have. We use a preposition called and. It's just the root of this word, it's and, ain, nun, dal. And itself, when it's used alone, it means at. For example, if I say أنا عند الباب, أنا عند الباب, it means I'm at the door. I'm at the door. So and alone, it's a preposition and it means at. But when we add attached pronouns to the word and, we express the verb to have, or we express possession. First, we have عندي. عندي. It means I have. So, and we add e, the ya to it. So it's عندي. For example, عندي قلم. عندي قلم. I have a pen. I have a pen. Second, we have عندك and عندك. They both mean you have, but one is for the masculine you and the other is for the feminine you. Of course, they are both for singular words. عندك, it's and we add the attached pronoun kaf with the sound fatha before the kaf. So it's عندك, you have. For example, you have a book, it's عندك كتاب. عندك كتاب. Now, عندك is for the feminine singular words. For example, عندك شنطة. عندك شنطة. You have a purse or you have a bag. عندك شنطة. Next, we have عنده. عنده. عنده means he has. It's and we add the attached pronoun واو to it with the sound ضمة or u to the letter before the واو. So it's عنده. For example, عنده سيارة. عنده سيارة. It means he has a car. Next, we have عنده. عنده. We have the word and with the attached pronoun alif or the sound a to it. So it's عنده. عنده. For example, عنده بيت. عنده بيت. She has a house. She has a house. Next, we have عنا. عنا. This is different because we deleted the last letter of the word and. So we deleted the dal and we add the attached pronoun na. Na. With a stressing on the noon. Because we have the suffix na and the noon from and, so it's two noons together, so it's one stressed noon. So it's anna, we have. For example, we have a game, anna لعبة. anna لعبة. We have a game. Next, we have the plural, you, it's عندكن. عندكن. The word and with the suffix kun that indicate you, the plural you. So it's عندكن. For example, عندكن أكل. عندكن أكل. It means you have food. You have food. Of course, if we want to change this from statement to a question, we can just change the tone of it. So it's عندكن أكل. عندكن أكل. So now it's a question. We just change the tone of it. We talked about questions in other video. You can see it in the description below. Next, we have عندن. عندن means they have. They have. It's the suffix on attached to the word and. So it's عندن. عندن. For example, عندن مصاري. عندن مصاري. They have money. That was all for today's video. We appreciate if you liked this video. I hope we see you in other videos.